Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've logged in and found the file. Start by selecting it and opening the Share dialog. Click the link options and pick anyone with the link so others can access without sign-in. Make sure to decide whether people should edit or only view. This controls risk and collaboration. Once done, set expiration or a password if you want temporary or restricted public access. These first steps create the public link and establish the basic security posture, but now refine the link so it behaves as you intend. Choose View versus Edit permissions. Allow editing only when collaboration is required, because edits change the original. You can also block downloads to keep a copy from being saved, though it's not foolproof. Then add an expiration date or a password to limit how long the link works. Once configured, copy the link and test it in a private browser window to confirm the level of access exactly matches your settings. Distribute the link with clear context so recipients know why they have access and what to do. Make sure to monitor Onedrive's activity and version history. This helps you spot accidental edits or unauthorized downloads quickly. If someone reports they can't access the file, first confirm the link type is anyone and not restricted to specific people. Then check expiration, password, or tenant policies that may block external sharing. A common fix is recreating the link with corrected permissions and resending it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.